Ethiopia is the land of wonders and surprises, from its vibrant culture to breathtaking landscapes. But there is one surprise that may catch you off guard: the shocking cost of visiting this country. In this video, we'll look at the eye-opening prices you can expect to pay for everything from food and transportation to accommodations and tourist attractions. Brace yourselves, because the numbers may shock you. If you're ready to be amazed, join us as we explore the shocking cost of visiting Ethiopia. From the bustling cities to the remote wilderness, we'll show you how to budget and plan your trip without missing out any incredible experiences this beautiful country offers. Get ready for a journey that will leave you speechless and maybe a little bit broke. Welcome to Ethiopia. Are you dreaming of exploring Ethiopia's vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes? Well, before you start packing your bags, there is one important thing you need to consider: the cost of getting there. In this segment, we'll discuss the airline that flies to Ethiopia and the average round-trip ticket prices so you can budget your trip accordingly. Let's start with the airline. Several major airlines offer flight to Ethiopia, including Ethiopian Airlines, Turkish Airlines, Emirates, and Qatar Airways. Depending on where you're flying from, you may have additional options available. Regarding ticket prices, the cost of flights to Ethiopia can vary widely, depending on the time of the year, the airline, and the departure city. Generally, you can expect to pay anywhere from $600 to $2,500 for a round-trip ticket. To get the best deal, shopping around and comparing prices between different airlines and travel sites is a good idea. You may also save money by booking your ticket well in advance of traveling or during the off-seasons. Keep in mind that while the cost of flights to Ethiopia may seem high, it's important to factor in the value of experience you'll have once you arrive. From the bustling cities to the remote wilderness, Ethiopia is a land of wonders that will leave you with unforgettable memories. So whether you're traveling for adventure, history, or culture, Ethiopia awaits you. Start planning your trip today, and we'll see you in the skies. In summary, flights to Ethiopia can cost anywhere from $600 to $2,500 for a round-trip ticket, depending on various factors. By comparing prices and booking in advance, you can save money and confidently plan your trip. Remember, the cost of flights is worth it when you consider the incredible experiences you'll have once you arrive in Ethiopia. Hey there, lovely viewers. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to hit that like button. It may seem like a small gesture, but it makes a huge difference in helping my content reach more people. Your likes tell me I'm on the right track and creating videos you enjoy. So if you want to see more of my content in the future, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for your support. Alright, my fellow travelers, if you're planning a trip to Ethiopia, you gotta know what you're in for. And one thing that can drain your wallet is accommodation. So in this segment, we're going to break down the cost of hotels, hostels, and guest houses in Ethiopia. That way you can save money and still have an amazing time. First up, let's talk hotels. You've got everything from bougie luxury options to more wallet-friendly choices. In Ethiopia, hotel prices range from $80 to $500 per night. So if you're balling on a budget, make sure to do your research and find the best deal that suits your needs.
Boom, like this. The soup is boom boom. It's very boom.
Now, if you're like me and you rather spend your money on experiences than fancy accommodations, hostel might be your jam. In Ethiopia, you can find hostels that are super affordable, with prices ranging from $30 to $80 a night. And hey, you might even make some friends in the process. Last but not least, let's talk about guest houses. These are awesome if you want a more authentic and chill experience. In Ethiopia, you can find guest houses that cost anywhere from $50 to $200 per night, depending on the vibe and location. When it comes to finding the best deal, there are a few tricks you can use. First off, shop around and compare prices on different travel sites. And don't be afraid to book in advance or travel during off season to save some serious cash. Oh, and one more thing. The cost of accommodation can vary depending on where you're staying. In Addis Ababa, the capital city, hotel can be more expensive, with prices ranging from $80 to $500 per night. But in the outskirts, you can find guest houses for as little as $50 per night. So make sure to do your research and pick the spot that works best for you.
Okay. Yeah, he said it's empty today. Come back on Thursday, you'll see everything full. So it's called Zagaya.
All right, my fellow travelers, that's a wrap for the cost of accommodations in Ethiopia. Whether you're into hotels, hostels, or guest houses, there's something for everyone. So go out there and explore this amazing country. Peace.
አ በጣም ቅቤ ይብዛበት ልል ነበር። አሪፍ ነው። ኧረ አሪፍ ነው፣ አሪፍ ነው፣ አሪፍ ነው። ኧረ እሱን እኮ ነው የምልህ። አሪፍ ቅቤ the most expensive ነው እስካሁን ያዘዝኩት፣ ግን አሪፍ ነው። Thank you. Uh, yeah, so I just want to say I just got myself shuttle because I was feeling kind of, homesick, home food. And this shuttle was that's the most expensive shuttle I've ever ordered on my trip, but it tastes good though. So I'm here at London Cafe. It says since 1922. I don't know how, but again, most expensive shuttle, and it tastes pretty good.